In the last paragraph, second last paragraph, it is also submitted that in compliance of order dated 25/3/2025 passed by this Honorable High Court, the parents of Srimati Ria Rai, that is respondent number 8, were communicated with the orders passed by the Honorable Judge as they did not comply the same 55/2025 as mentioned in serial number 5 was indexed. So, my lord, if your lordship kindly sees the previous order, there the state is claiming that no, only Riyadash is staying there with her son. Contrarily, only after in the next report, they're claiming that no, they're staying with their parents. This is that matter where by your ladyship's order, I was reinstated inside my flat. Thereafter, my lord, I was again ousted by the private respondents.
Again ousted?
Yes, on the first occasion. Thereafter, my lord, the police.
No, the court passed order on 5th of May.
Yes, my lord. So, by that order, my lord, on the last occasion, state had submitted the report. So, if your ladyship kindly goes through the report, 5 cases were filed. In the second page, my lord,
yes.
In the last paragraph, second last paragraph, it is also submitted that in compliance of order dated 25/3/2025 passed by this Honorable High Court, the parents of Srimati Ria Rai, that is respondent number 8, were communicated with the orders passed by the Honorable Judge as they did not comply the same. Case number 155/2025 as mentioned in serial number 5 was indexed. So, my lord, if your lordship kindly sees the previous order, there the state is claiming that no, only Riyadash is staying there with her son. And contrarily, only after in the next report, they're claiming that no, they're staying with their parents. You know, I am 65 years old. I am there with my parent-in-law. Sorry, my lord, father-in-law. He is 93 years old. Now, my lord, what I prayed in the writ petition, my lord, though I know it's quite a lot to ask for, my lord, it is absolutely not possible for me to stay here because kind of hindrances that she has been occurring. I have a pen drive with me. The petitioner is also physically present before the court with a pen drive. On the last occasion, yesterday night, she tried to enter the premises and thereafter, my lord, she is staying there. And my lord, yesterday night was a horrific night for her. My lord, everything is in the pen drive. She put on sirens, wailing all throughout the night. She took away the pillows. She locked the refrigerator. She took away all the almirahs, all the wardrobe keys and everything. Today morning, while she was coming before the High Court, she has even taken the keys, my lord. I do not have any keys. I do not have any access to the flat, my lord. Yesterday night, when I tried to yes, my lord, when yesterday night I tried to enter my flat, my lord, this is the scenario that I had found. The flat was locked. One name was given, Virat Roy, and Ria Roy is staying there. For emergency, contact this number. I contacted her. I said that I am staying here. Kindly allow me the access of the flat. So, my lord, now what they are doing, since their parents are not saying, they are staying away from the home. So now she came back, just opened the door without the child, my lord. What she has been claiming all through, that she needs the accommodation for a little child who is 7 years old. She did not came back with her, my lord. She came back alone and thereafter started creating nuances. Now, my lord, this is the present scenario before your lordship. Lord, that senior citizen, 65 years, she has been under torture all through. Lord, now let me confer to the can number 1, my lord. The police in the report claimed, in the second report, after entering into the said flat, the petitioner submitted a letter.
Which page?
The first page.
Yes.
The second report's first page. Report dated 16/4/2025. Accordingly, the petitioner Mita Chakraborty entered into the flat along with her daughter and some of her well-wishers into her scheduled property subject flat. During the whole period of time, situation was all along peaceful and nothing adverse situation took place to report. Lord, this was on the first occasion when I tried to enter the flat. And Lord, they have also annexed the GD that I had lodged before the police station after entering the flat. Lord, kindly seize the GD. It is informed to you that by order dated such and such, I have tried to enter into subject premises with the help of one Sub-Inspector Banerjee from your respected PS. I was primarily restrained from entering into my own flat. After waiting for more than half an hour with the help of Sub-Inspector Banerjee and some of my neighbors, I could enter into the flat. And to my utter surprise, I saw that respondent number 8, Riyadash, along with her mother and parents, they are staying there. After that, my lord, my CAN application, it contains all the email communications, all the communications that I have done to the police station to show that it was not at all peaceful. I had to visit the Baghajotin Hospital, Baghajotin Shodor Hospital, my lord. Lord, kindly comes to page number 14 and onwards. Page number 15. I, Mita Chakraborty, a senior citizen residing at such and such address, formally lodge a complaint against my daughter-in-law and her mother, who have been torturing me and my daughter both mentally, physically since this evening. Despite the High Court's order which allowed us to reside peacefully in our flat without any interference, they have continued their harassment. Today, they have threatened to file a false FIR against me and my daughter, falsely accusing us of harassment, while in reality, we are the ones suffering at their hands. The situation has escalated to physical assault. My daughter-in-law attempted to hit me and push me against the wall. I am a patient of high blood pressure and hyperthyroidism. And this continuous stress has severely impacted my health. I am unable to sleep due to the fear and distress. I request your immediate intervention to stop this continuous abuse and threats. I fear for me and my daughter's safety. Now, my lord, there she is claiming about the false FIR.
How big is your daughter?
My lord, my daughter age is around 24.
What does she do?
She's doing service currently. She's also the co-owner of this flat. Now, my lord, where I would like to suggest, this is not at all the matrimonial home, my lord. The matrimonial home was in Durgapur, where she got married, where she came, and thereafter my son left me. My son is now right now in Bangalore. He is doing his job. Lord, I am staying at this place. This place belongs to my in-laws with my 93-year-old father-in-law and my daughter. I am the co-owner. Paragraph number 5 of my writ petition says about the ownership of this particular flat. I am the owner of this flat. 50% ownership belongs to me and 50% to my daughter Anunna Roy. This is our flat. This is not the matrimonial home. Whereas, my lord, the matrimonial home being in Durgapur, and also they can ask that they have one child, so he wants to stay with the father. That is in Bangalore, where the father is staying. My son is staying. Now, my lord, they are saying that they have access to this flat because she has got a minor son. But, my lord, the son is staying with the parents of the mother. That is Riya Dash, in her paternal home, my lord. Now, my lord, thereafter, from 15th March 2025, they have stated about this false FIR. My lord, the first FIR is Patuli PS, being case number 122 of 15/3/2025. It was registered against me. Now, my lord,
the house in Durgapur stands in whose name?
My lord, it's a quarter. It's a quarter.
Quarter means?
It's a government quarter.
In whose name?
It belongs to DSP, my lord. The DSP licensed quarter. There she got married, where I was staying in rent.
How did these people get into this DSP's quarter?
My lord, I think
Steel plant, Durgapur steel plant. You speak, let him communicate, let her communicate to you, and you can say to the court, let her not call directly give.
Lord, this is a DSP steel plant where she had rented in some other person's name. Lord, I had referred to this judgment to Ladyship Sushanta Kumar Mukhopadhyay. Lady kindly comes to paragraph number 11 and onwards. I am the senior citizen, and my lord, I need not file one application in the civil court or in the
yes,
or an application in the.
Let me hear. Yes,
my lord, as per our instructions, my lord, when the petitioners had come after your lordship's order, my lord, we had let them enter, my lord. It was their call. They did not enter. Their main intention, my lord, from the very beginning of this writ application, as I was submitting, my lord, the very intention is that, my lord, they want me, that is the daughter-in-law, and my son to be ousted from that house, so that
house. What is your right to that house?
My lord, that is my matrimonial house, my lord. My son, he took birth over there, my lord. I have been staying there for.
Taking birth does not mean that is your matrimonial house.
Lord, where should I go then?
You go to your husband's place or to the matrimonial house where you were married.
My lord, I have lodged a DV case against my husband.
Your husband doesn't stay over here. He works in Bangalore. It's been submitted.
My lord, he's having an affair also, my lord.
Let him have affairs. You settle it out with your husband. Why are you torturing this lady? She has got her father-in-law over there. This house does not belong to your husband. Does this house belong to your husband? It doesn't. And you have kept this. Now this is the position. You've locked it.
Milord,
You've locked it and you kept your phone number over there. And the lady is outside. What is happening?
Milord, I do not know when this picture was taken, Milord. I do not know what is.
You know nothing. You go. Where is your son now?
He's with me, Milord.
He's with your parents.
No, Milord, he's with me.
You go. Your parents are very much close to you. It's very nice. You go and stay with them, or you stay in your matrimonial house.
That is what they
You
want.
stay in your matrimonial house. You please just leave this house for the 90-year-old man who's staying over there and the lady who's staying over there.
Milord,
Do not. You stay safe. Stay peaceful. You have got a son. He has got his own life.
Then, Milord, may I only submit this, Milord? Gives me only 1 day's accommodation. Keep this matter on Tuesday, Milord.
Yes.
Stop, Milord. Let me come back with instructions, Milord. With positive instructions, Milord. I shall look into this matter personally, Milord. On a personal level, Milord. Not on a.
Do not get personal with your clients.
No, definitely.
There are many matters. You will continuously go on getting personal with them.
Milord,
Please do not. This is your professional matter. Handle it professionally.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Right. I'll keep it at 2 o'clock. The lady is standing over here. She's outside. I've got an original side matter fixed at 2. Thereafter, I'll take this.
Deeply obliged, Milord.
I'm obliged.